Are you planning to purchase a real estate property in the Philippines? Just remember the name LIBERT. L stands for location. Location, location, location. It is one of the most important thing to consider in acquiring a real estate property. You need to consider the accessibility, and it must be near to all the things that you need every day. The second one is the equity. Before acquiring a certain real estate property, you need to consider the equity or the down payment if it is within your income. Then the B, of course, the budget. So you need to consider also your capacity to pay for the sustainability of the property acquisition. Next one is the expertise. So before acquiring a property, it's better or it is advisable that you consult or you hire a real estate professional to guide you and to help you because they're more knowledgeable on the real estate property acquisition. Then the next one is the research. So before acquiring the property, you need to do some research about the property, about the developer, about